Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Summer Official. In the previous video, you had learned about how to model a washer part from the screw jack assembly. In this video, you will learn about how to model a screw part from the same assembly using CATIA V5 part modeling. The commands used in this model are axis, profile, constraint, shaft, centered rectangle, pocket, and thread. Open CATIA V5 interface. Go to Start, Mechanical Design. Click on Part Design. Select the YZ plane. Click on Sketch command. It will take you to Sketch a workbench. Select Axis. So draw the axis. Check for the blue line. That will ensure the verticality of the line. Next, select the Profile command. Draw a rough profile, horizontal line, some inclined line, vertical line, horizontal line, and vertical line. Close this. Okay. Now click on constraint. Select this line, and this can be the value of this is 12 by 2. Okay. Next, select this line. Press Ctrl. Select this line. Select the constraint. Double click on this, and the angle is 45. Press enter. Okay. Next is like select this line, press Ctrl, select this point, click on constraint, double click on this, and this value is 6. Press enter. Select the constraint, select this line, select this line, double click on this, and this value is 30. Press enter. Okay. So you can see the sketch is green in color. This means the sketch is fully constrained. Go to, like, click on exit workbench. Okay. Click on shaft. This will show you the preview. Click on OK. You can fit. Click on isometric. Okay. Next, select this plane. Click on sketch command. Fit in all. Select the centered rectangle. Click here, drag, and click somewhere. So click on constraint. Select this horizontal line and select this horizontal line. Double click on this, and this value is 1. Okay. Again, select this constraint, select this vertical axis, and select this vertical line. Double click on this, and this value is 24 by 2. Press enter. Right. Exit workbench. Select the pocket command. The depth is 3. Click on OK. Fit in all. Click on isometric. Right. So you can see this. So now select this thread command. So it is asking to select the lateral face. Click on this face. Next is limit face. Select this face. Okay. Thread diameter is 12 mm. It is taking automatically, and thread depth you need to give it. Thread depth what we will give is 30 minus 30 minus 6, 24 mm. Right. So you can see So you can see in the design tree, this thread is create. Okay, right? Thank you.